I call on all of us to commit our efforts and actions solely to the advancement of this great country. Let us demonstrate that yes, indeed, though tribes and tongues may differ, in brotherhood we stand. We must remain resolute in order to surmount all the challenges, economically, financially, and in terms of security. Our constituents look forward to nothing but this. Lastly, I want to encourage all of us to put the interests of our great nation first in every single contribution on the floor of this chamber. The principles of democracy must be upheld, not just in Nigeria, but we must do things that will encourage democracy in our neighboring regions.